want it to be today. So I ride here all alone, riding on this cattle drive. And I can't still think about her, 'cause the last girl that I seen, well, she wasn't comparable, because, well, her eyes, they were too green. And I just start thinking about the way that you looked in the morning after we loved all night long. I just sit here thinking about you as I ride on like nobody cares. Well, it's funny how we try to put these emotions out right up on an old song. I try to sing it all alone, or maybe I'm the only one around. Maybe kinda like that one-of-a-kind clown. Take me high, take me low, every time. But baby, don't you know that I'm a fighter's heart, wrapped up in a lover's star. I need the fuel for this fire, 'cause I'm ready to burn it. The Cupid's out, till I'm all messed up and drunk too fast and never on time. Letting you run that red light for one more time. I'm never coming back, believe me, baby, 'cause it's falling off track. And you were the only thing that I had on my mind, but I couldn't stop myself going crazy. That's what I'm trying to say. Sometimes I drink way too much and full throttle. Hell, I'm too hard to handle. I'm like the night sky. Sometimes it's only shining bright a couple days, then the rest is cloudy, and you're worried about your little old work week. Ride it up to never coming back.